What? The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effective. You know it boy already? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion, boy. Watch me, man. Hey, the people's champion. What you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, yo, watch this. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Here we go on a Gaza nation. I see big vibes are going on the internet and me I try stall it. But anyway, them now want to listen. But at the general, this is the way me I start it. A real entertainment me deal with. Fire for vendetta with a vampire taste. Copper to them face, them a pan face, them a man and want fi take man. Me shot them na them forward and make them brain spin like a fan. Fire for vendetta with a vampire taste. Copper to them face, them a pan face, him a man and want fi take man. Oh, rise the rifle from Gaza well and too. Them boy not real, nah play but them a deal. Give a girl him think for feel and him girl like a meal, and a Dan, and a Karen. Him a no Cecile. So how him want spin per man like car wheel, them nah get no right, them nah get no talk. If you say me dark like when light cut off, if you nah no give blood in your heart, cause a bad dude to bumbo rascal. Hey, put up your hand. If a girl alone you put your cock and put up your hand if them boy they you that done a clip. But chichi man fi sink like quicksand, them a get too popular like a hit song. Boom. You think round here them can walk and magger, go like a thugs when a balls them a gagger. Through him headshot will travel. Bullet from my nozzle make him blood clot and run him grabber. Fire for vendetta with a vampire taste. Copper to them face, them a tan face, them a man and want fi take man. Oh, rise the rifle from Gaza well and true. We no go back way. Girl alone can visit my cock way. Me not deal with, but me not Austria. Gaza, AK, Glock and Astel. Make coppers sting them like them running a wasp. What them a say? Apologize. Boy with a flex like dice. Both of him choice he talks a man nice. To him headshot slice. Brain melt like ice. Them dead like ice. Them a destroy the human race. Cause the same sex can bring no children. Them boy they a make man drill them. Take gunshot, Gaza thugs now fuck fi kill them. Give y'all cocky till them cramp. We no lick nothing, not even post office stamp. Some boy a buy girl like ants. Have girl a full up them face with eye like lamp. Fire fi vendetta with a vampire taste. Copper to them face, them a tan pan face. Whoa. Watch. Yo I go on now. Make 10 try. Address back CV argument when I hear him come out and I talk about. So CV I say 10 star. Man a threaten him, and I threaten him from belly, and me I say well then, him should not call Vybz Kartel name him for leave Vybz Kartel outside. But that's some guy show me, you know. You see what I do, because that's why I like reasoning and I like listening, you know what I mean? Sometimes when somebody a reason is a man, I like listen to what them say, that means I can get the full understanding of what go on. The man I say, you know, me, you know, I listen to people, you know, and I say, him say, Vybz Kartel murder man and they are prison, all of them shit and them thing there. But at the same thing you do CV, you not listen to the same man them where you claim a threaten you and I say, them tell you say, Vybz Kartel tell them to do it. Eh? I see them thing you do, you know, my brother. You see what I deal with? Just check the real fucker way I said to me, my brother. You know what I mean? I said the real talk. So I know for say uno for done. What for say uno for do? War and go on with beer foolishness. Then I fuck go fuck up vlogging thing them. That means say uno no entertainer then. Yo, remember I'm telling you, my brother, I'm telling you, I'm one of the most electrifying man on the internet. And I don't know gimmicks thing, and when I say electrify, I not talk about the rock and him fucker. Because I resurrect that shit. You see what I deal with? I'm one of the man with the most finesse on the internet. Yo, my intensity are one of a kind. It's like a brand new thing, one I can't believe it. You know how much boy I love try and them just can't do it? How much time I for tell you now? I said the last time my link shot up Gaza, shot up on the Gaza, police chase me down in a them jeepies. Ask him if me not lay down on my ninja and a bus all wheelies. Watch, what not talk about. You see what I say? I don't know gimmicks thing. You know what I mean? I don't support no violence business. And you talk about I don't talk to the man them. Yo, you know, see me go up and jail and chase lice and make the man them know say, yo, them type of talk the man them for hold long them type of talk them, my brother. Oh, you not talk about that, you want to talk one-sided story of the thing. You know what I mean? You know me represent for Gaza, so you know me is a man when I go against the man them. Certain way, but I go make you know the right thing. You see what I deal with? Mongo can't tell you no, I can't force on you. I force on you to do it, my brother. You see what I deal with? And a gimmicks thing I deal with. I meet there in America. And I know America you there. And I know you understand what I go on. So why you watch people mouth? You know what I mean? I'm not going to say no okay or whatever. But not just like that, my brethren. You know that too. I'm not have to tell you that. Because you have sense. I know you have sense. I know in spite of all what I go on, you have sense. You know what I go on. You know that. Are the first people that threaten you? How much time them threaten me? How much time them threaten me? Eh? How much time them threaten me? When I do watch all of them things there and then come out on the internet and way. Sometimes I dead will laugh because what them said to me, it don't even make no sense to me. You know what I mean? I answer who I feel like who them on the internet where I know say every day them on the internet I can answer them. You know what I mean? But like all some people I not even know at the first I go see all your name and all I make all a comment on my video or whatever. I can't how you go follow up every one of them things there. So let me ask you something. So if the artists them for follow up we the blogger, that means them want hurt with them. If the artists them for follow up the bloggers them, that means them go want hurt them then. Come on, man. Cut on a lollipop thing out, man. Yeah, you know a real way I represent, you know. Gaza way, you know, there ain't no other way, you know. You know I not deal with lollipop thing, you know. You know a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. I'm tell you now already, you know, I have to understand how I make it, you know. I'm a gun me use and set it, you know. And a lollipop thing, you know, the general, the 10-star one I represent in a full effect, you know. You see what I deal with? And a joke thing. And right now, I see them a post up about intense and high water, a drop song off a cartel. Fuckery. Nobody no want to hear that, my brother. True word. Nobody no want to hear that, my brother. Everybody a come at Vybz Kartel. Everybody want piece of Vybz Kartel. Easy, Gaza, lock the place so easy. God believe me, girl no refuse to please we. We no lick clit, we are not CVE. We stop the girl them like a harpoon. Real top girl is 10-star in a cartoon. Bad behaving, bitch we want groom. She come in my room, come for me tall broom. No Viagra for attack me heart soon. And Medina mix with the raw moon. Easy, Gaza, lock the place so easy. God believe me, girl no refuse to please me. We no see her my way a drink, girl wee. What? The general, you know, the 10-star one, you know. We tell you now a real performer, you know. We don't feel like it. Think a gimmicks thing, a real entertainment to bring to the people, you know. But I tell you now, I tell you now, I'm one of the man with the most finesse on the internet. You think a joke? I tell you now, I'm a concrete stepper. And anywhere I step from a shake, it got broke off. Eh? Wanna feel like? You think me easy? Watch me, man. You don't know how high grade me smoke. I not bun beady. The general, the 10-star one I represent a full effect. Gaza Nation, and I know each and every time I represent, I know a loud explosion when I drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. What? 10-star. General. Gaza for life. Watch. Watch.